Alright guys, so we are back in the 1985 Vanagon with the Coast Mountain High-top. Today we are putting in our what we call ribs and insulation. You might refer to these as furring strips or stringers. So we use these galvanized steel, super lightweight. They're hat channel shaped. These are glued in place and we've glued them in a specific way so we know where we're going to be building panels once this is insulated. So next step, once this one has set up and finished curing, is to start insulating. So here you'll see Jason insulating the inside of the High-top with Produx 10. That's an R22 insulation product. We've been using it for a few years. Fantastic results from the field. Super nice and lightweight to work with, easy to handle. He is adhering it to the sides using a contact cement spray adhesive, and yeah, that's what we're going to insulate the rest of this High-top out with. Alright, so the ribs and insulation are in. You can already hear the difference, or at least I can. It's a lot more muted. Thank you very much to Jason for insulating that for us. Right now we've got Dave up on the roof, pre-wiring for solar. Our new solar panels will be coming in the next few weeks here, so we'll get some solar up here and we'll start paneling out the insides. Again, still trying to decide what color I want to do it, but we're going to have some storage up front, some storage at the back, and yeah, follow us along for this fun little adventure.